Toyota has launched the Hilux Champ, a true body-on-frame truck that tows over 7,700 pounds, carries a full ton, and is priced from only $12,000. No other manufacturer currently matches this combination of rugged engineering and accessible cost. The Hilux Champ effectively rewrites the pricing rules of the entire segment, delivering capability that feels almost like an unfair advantage. Stay with me, this development changes the market dramatically. The pickup truck market has transformed dramatically over the past decade. American manufacturers consolidated their affordable options, pushing buyers upmarket into crew cabs loaded with technology and luxury features that commercial users never requested. Meanwhile, Ford's Maverick attempted to reclaim the entry-level segment at nearly $30,000, still requiring 6-year financing commitments for small business owners simply looking for basic hauling capability. The Hilux Champ operates on completely different economics. Construction starts with genuine simplification. Flat body panels replace expensive curves. Rectangular windshields eliminate complex forming processes. Basic steel wheels substitute for costly alloy alternatives. Hard plastic interiors stay functional rather than soft touch. Manual windows and mechanical systems keep complexity minimal. Every decision prioritizes capability over convenience, reducing manufacturing costs in ways competitors abandoned decades ago. Southeast Asia already knows what's coming. When Toyota introduced the Hilux Champ to Thailand in 2024, waiting lists stretched for months. Business operators recognized something fundamental. This wasn't marketing language about affordability. This was actual affordability delivered through genuine truck engineering. The difference matters because it separates vehicles designed around business realities from vehicles designed around American truck culture expectations. Production expansion plans confirm the US is next. Toyota's already investing heavily in manufacturing capacity specifically for North American distribution. The timing arrives as American buyers spent years watching manufacturers eliminate affordable options from dealer lots. Single cab configurations disappeared. Chassis cab variants vanished. Equipment that working people actually needed became luxury features reserved for expensive models. The Hilux Champ brings back everything the market abandoned. Think about configurability. Ask any small business owner what prevents fleet expansion and the answer comes back identical every time. Specialized equipment costs a fortune. A food truck operator needs commercial kitchen capability on wheels but can't justify $60,000 for a purpose-built vehicle. Rural emergency services need ambulance configurations without six-figure price tags. Fire departments require specialized response equipment without massive capital outlays. The Hilux Champ transforms this equation completely. Buyers can spec pickup beds ranging from 5.9 feet to an impressive 7.6 feet, already beating most compact and mid-sized trucks on the market. But the real revolution lives in chassis cab variants. These transform a $12,000 platform into whatever your business demands. Toyota engineered the entire structure to accommodate modifications with strategically placed mounting points built directly into the frame. That $12,000 starting point isn't just the beginning, it's the foundation for unlimited customization possibilities. Before production even started in Thailand, Toyota partnered with over 100 third-party manufacturers specializing in truck customization. Food service operators installed commercial kitchen equipment. Emergency services added ambulance configurations. Municipal departments equipped vehicles with everything from snowplows to street sweepers. A purpose-built food truck typically costs $60,000 or more. Start with a $12,000 Hilux Champ chassis cab, add commercial kitchen equipment, and the total investment stays under $30,000. That's the kind of math that lets small operations actually grow instead of staying perpetually constrained by equipment costs. The Powertrain story reveals where Toyota's thinking separates from competitors. Current Asian market versions offer 3 engine options. A 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 produces 134 horsepower and 136 pound-feet of torque for buyers prioritizing simplicity. A 2.7-liter inline-4 delivers 160 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, the same engine that earned legendary status in previous Tacoma generations for dependability. Finally, a 2.4-liter turbo diesel generates 150 horsepower but an impressive 295 pound-feet of torque. North American variants will follow different paths. The proven 2.7-liter gasoline engine anchors base offerings, providing the reliability small business owners demand. The diesel won't cross borders because US emissions regulations make it impractical for the market. What's coming instead could change fuel cost calculations completely. Toyota is developing hybrid powertrains specifically for the IMV platform underpinning the Hilux Champ. The technology already exists in other Toyota products, delivering fuel economy gasoline-only engines can't match. Imagine Hilux Champ capability combined with hybrid efficiency potentially exceeding 35 miles per gallon. Contractors running these trucks for business could cut fuel costs nearly in half compared to conventional engines. Every fill-up saved directly translates to business profitability. The IMV platform supports electrification without compromise. Toyota engineered the architecture to accommodate various powertrains, including hybrid systems. The suspension setup reflects genuine truck engineering rather than scaled-down compromises. Up front, A double wishbone configuration provides controlled wheel movement and predictable handling even under heavy loads. Out back, a solid rear axle with leaf springs delivers the load-carrying capacity commercial users demand. Solid axles with leaf springs handle payload better, cost less to maintain, and prove more durable under constant commercial abuse. This isn't unibody pretending to be truck capability. This is body-on-frame construction borrowed from the legendary Hilux that's earned a worldwide reputation as nearly indestructible. The separate frame absorbs punishment that would destroy unibody structures. Heavy loads, rough terrain, constant abuse from commercial use. The IMV platform handles everything without complaint. Capability numbers confirm genuine truck status. Maximum towing capacity reaches 5,500 pounds, exceeding both the Ford Maverick and the Hyundai Santa Cruz despite the dramatically lower price point. Payload capacity impresses even more. The Hilux Champ handles up to 2,646 pounds in the cargo bed, a number that surpasses every compact truck on the market and matches some full-size models. Most mid-size trucks top out around 1,500 pounds of payload. The Hilux Champ carries nearly double that amount. Here's where things get really interesting though. The pricing is what's going to send shockwaves through the entire truck market. Everything discussed so far sounds impressive, but the cost structure proves most revolutionary. Toyota positions the Hilux Champ with a starting price around $12,000. You can't buy subcompact hatchbacks for that money anymore, let alone genuine pickup trucks with body-on-frame construction. That entry price gets the chassis cab configuration, essentially purchasing the foundation, frame, drivetrain cab, and mounting points for customization. Add a basic cargo bed and the price climbs to around $15,000. Even fully equipped examples with longer wheelbases should stay well under $25,000. Simplicity drives every decision enabling this pricing. Flat body panels cost less to manufacture than complex curves. Rectangular windshields eliminate expensive forming processes. Basic steel wheels replace costly alloy alternatives. Hard plastic interior trim instead of soft touch materials. Manual windows rather than power units. Straightforward mechanical systems instead of complex electronics. This isn't cheapness pursued recklessly. This is purposeful engineering that strips away unnecessary features without sacrificing capability. Small business owners watch every dollar. Equipment purchases either make financial sense or they don't. That $12,000 starting point buys genuine commercial truck capability, something that previously required spending $35,000 or more. Rural fire departments can afford proper response vehicles. Farmers can expand fleets without massive capital outlays. Contractors can equip crews with dedicated work trucks instead of forcing employees to use personal vehicles. The ripple effects will transform the market. Competitors can't ignore a genuine work truck selling for half their entry prices. Either they respond with comparable offerings or they watch market share evaporate. The compact truck market reached $43.59 billion in 2026, and projections expected to expand to $52.1 billion by 2035 at a compound annual growth rate of 5.0%. This isn't a niche segment anymore. It's mainstream. The Hilux Champ enters at the exact moment when American buyers finally embrace downsizing, rejecting unnecessary complexity and inflated pricing. The Hilux Champ represents everything modern trucks forgot about. Honest capability without unnecessary complexity. Genuine work potential without luxury pricing. Flexibility commercial users actually need. Body-on-frame construction borrowed from the legendary Hilux ensures durability that unibody competitors can't match. Chassis cab configurations open customization possibilities previously reserved for expensive commercial vehicles. Cargo beds stretching to 7.6 feet solve real hauling problems. Hybrid powertrains promise efficiency without sacrifice. Towing capacity hitting 5,500 pounds with payload ratings reaching 2,646 pounds delivers genuine work numbers at a fraction of typical costs. Most importantly, that $12,000 starting price proves affordable trucks remain possible when manufacturers strip away the unnecessary and focus purely on getting work done. The truck market is about to experience fundamental transformation, and small business owners, contractors, and fleet operators who've been priced out for years are finally getting the vehicle they've demanded all along.